Have you ever noticed how some individuals always seem to have an abundance of money while others are in a constant struggle? The secret lies not in luck, but in the habits they cultivate. Today, I'm excited to share the transformational money habits that have redefined my financial journey, helping me escape the cycle of financial distress and step into a world of wealth and security. Welcome to Smart Money Path, your trusted source where beginners learn the simple yet powerful steps to master money and build lasting wealth. Here, we believe in the pursuit of financial freedom and invite you to hit that subscribe button and activate notifications. You won't want to miss these invaluable money lessons that can redefine your life just as they did mine. The first step to financial stability is to pay yourself first. This means allocating at least 10 to 20% of your income to savings before tackling bills and spending. This essential habit guarantees that no matter what your income looks like, you're consistently building your wealth. Following this, it's crucial to budget every naira or dollar. Tracking where your money flows will empower you, allowing you to take control rather than allowing your finances to rule you. Say goodbye to the paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle and welcome mindful spending. Next, identifying hidden expenses can significantly enhance your financial health. By eliminating impulse purchases and subscriptions that serve no real purpose, I've uncovered hidden wealth that enriched my savings over time. Diving deeper into wealth creation, I discovered the power of multiple income streams. Instead of relying solely on one salary, I explored side hustles and developed digital skills that continuously inject extra income into my life. Furthermore, I learned the importance of investing early and consistently. Money that simply sits idle loses value. Small, continuous investments cultivate growth, laying the groundwork for a robust financial future. Lastly, prioritize continuous learning. By devouring books, watching educational finance videos, and absorbing wisdom from mentors, I opened doors that money alone couldn't unlock, enriching my financial literacy. These habits have not only transformed my finances, but they can do the same for you. Which of these habits resonates with you? I invite you to comment below with your choice. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Smart Money Path for more straightforward personal finance tips. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's forged day by day through intentional habits.